Hello and welcome to Pivot Investor. It is Sunday 15th of November. My name is Abdul Hameed and I am the founder of pivotinvestor.com. In today's video, I'm going to take you through our pre-market pivot scanner to identify potential trading opportunities for tomorrow's session on Monday 16th of November. In particular, I'm looking for a specific setup for stocks where the price has crossed and subsequently closed above the R1 floor pivot as indicated here for the ACI worldwide stock. So on the 5th of November, this is a screenshot of the pivot scan results, which we will see later, where ACIW appeared in our results indicating a close above the R1 floor pivot. So subsequently, price for ACIW, as you can see here, the signal was found on the 5th of November. So in this setup, we will look for the next trading day to break above the high of the signal day. Find an entry there, and fortunately on this occasion, we saw price rally quite quickly to our target, the R2 floor pivot over here. So that's the setup that we're looking for. I'm going to go to www.pivotinvestor.com and run a new scan. So in the new scan, I can select from a number of markets. In the UK, you've got the AIM and the FTSE market. For the US, we've got the NASDAQ and the rest of them, commodities and Forex. So for today's scan, I selected the FTSE, selecting the Friday the 13th day range and using that range to see if that range had crossed any pivots. This looking for the monthly pivots and the standard floor pivots. Hit scan. So it's taking the range from Friday to the 13th for all stocks in the FTSE market and looking for where that range had crossed any particular pivots and subsequently whether they closed above or below the pivot level. So we'll see the results very shortly. Got 496 matches, and we see here the summary screen. Got a few high volume ones in the results, and because we're looking for a particular setup where price closing above the R1 floor pivot, I'm just going to head over to the detailed view where you can see the individual pivot levels. The red here indicating price crossing the pivot but failing to close above it, i.e. price closing below the pivot subsequently, and the blue indicating price crossing above it, crossing it, and then subsequently closing above it, as we see in the example of AA over here. So we'll just quickly have a look at the AA chart and the profile page for AA. A sideways trend here. Volume is good though, and we can see here how price has closed above the R1 floor pivot, only just. So I'll be looking for tomorrow's session to see if price can hold above this pivot and take out the previous high, which is 29.20. Got 29.30 the day before, so I'll be looking for at least a break around 29.50 and then subsequently for price to hold with a target then to the R2 floor pivot at 34.50. So that's AA. So let's just add that to the list. See if there's any other potential candidates. So looking for the R1, It's Argo blockchain seems to have also, and it got Aston Martin here as well. Good volume at 13 million. Let's go and have a look at the Aston Martin profile page. Trend is up. The average day range, got a good average day range, or average around 4 pence. That's healthy mover. So you can see again here, prices closed above the R1 floor pivot. In fact, also above the last 3-day highs. So it's looking fairly bullish. So again, our target would be for tomorrow for price to then subsequently go above 65.90 and hold, with the target for this month at 72 pence. So we'll be looking for that. That's another one then to add to the watch list. There's a couple of examples there, but as you can see, there's quite a few candidates potentially to look at over there. So I hope that gives you some idea of how our pivot scanner works. There's a number of candidates to analyze. So that's a couple of examples for today. Hope you found that useful. Do get in touch with us via pivotinvestor.com. You can use the contact us form or the contact form to reach us. Give us a like. Do leave a comment if you have any questions, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you again soon. Take care and happy trading.